Okay, YouTube, I am doing kind of a video response, but not really to, well, nah, not really. Okay, it's just my trash pick video. Yesterday, I found a Dunkin' Donuts industrial coffee maker, and I had it sitting there for like 3 hours, and we tore it apart piece by piece to get everything out of it. Now, I was with my friend Fast Suzuki, and yeah, Timmy is watching you, by the way. Me and Fast Suzuki didn't really want to fight over the parts because he wanted the parts in there too. So we did it on a, if you can call it while you see it, you get it. But I called all the copper pipe, and he called all the solenoids. Because you could use solenoids for our air engines. So anyway, we actually broke this solenoid, and I had to put it back together. No, it was this solenoid. You can tell because the screws are different. Anyway, here's what I got out. Most of this is for my homemade air conditioner. Excuse me. I'm trying to figure out if this thermometer works. It does. Sweet. Alright. Got a large heating element. It is a 210 outlet. One of the 208 volts, 400 or 4,000 amps. That was used to boil the water or get it really hot, for the coffee in this steel tank. This is stainless steel, and it has 3 little inserts. This one you screw in, these two you screw onto it, and it has these holes, but everything else is sealed, stainless steel. So I figured worst come to worst, I could take a steel plate and match the holes, and then put a nut on all of it and seal it up real good, because I don't know if I really need a whole bunch of holes in the top of it. I could use it as maybe a fuel tank for something, maybe my go-kart. Anyway, next I have solenoid number 1. It should work. I have solenoid number 2. And I don't know if it'll work. Like I said, we broke it and then kind of put it back together, so hopefully it'll work. And if you don't know what a solenoid is, you use them a lot in air engines, but what you do is you apply an electrical current here, and it opens or shuts a valve depending on the solenoid. So in an air engine, you would have a reed switch going where the magneto normally would. Every time that magnet comes back, flips the reed switch on, activates the solenoid, compresses air and puts it in, or steam, whichever you're using, and then drives the piston down. I already built an air engine, but I have another motor that is completely scrapped, and I'm thinking about maybe doing it again. I think these are called regulators. They're electrical components, is what my friend's, he knows a lot, as much, if not more than me. See, there's one there, but it's really small. He says that they're used on components that need an exact current. It keeps the current nice and even. So that's probably what that is. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of solenoid, but basically, it's just a voltage, and see, it goes in. So I don't know what it actually does, so someone clue me in. Maybe I can use it for something. These are 4 legs. This one's unfortunately missing its thing. I'll probably have to take the things off the other one because this one's missing it. But these are 4 legs that I'll use in the homemade air conditioner. That's what these parts are mainly for. I'll prop it off the ground a bit, give it some height. This I'm definitely using in the homemade air conditioner. It was in the water return, and it's all copper. So what I was planning on doing in the air conditioner is flipping it upside down like this, and attaching it to the side of the cooler, obviously, and drilling holes in it. So this is going to prevent dry ice from getting in the pump. I'm going to see if I can find a pump that will fit in there. If not, oh well, I'll use it for something in there because it has really good, you know, heat return because it's copper. I was hoping to find a lot more copper pipe, but this and this is all I found. Not enough to make a coil for the fan. So maybe this can be some returns and, yeah. Maybe. I don't know. This is steel pipe. It may look copper, but it's painted copper. So I can't coil this. I don't know. This might just go to another project. Just some fittings. And I got these two handles off of a panel. They just bolted in. I have the bolts or the nuts somewhere, so I don't know what I would use that for. But I just thought maybe in the future, maybe even for my homemade shotgun I have. And then last I have this. And this candy thermometer. It was in the bottom. Everyone's seen the candy thermometer though. It's currently at 8 in the morning. 90 degrees. Ick. Anyway. This is just a valve lift for hot water. I'm thinking about maybe making it the way to take the rubbing alcohol out of my air conditioner, because my air conditioner is not going to have water in it. It is going to use Redneck liquid nitrogen. And if I ever get going on that project, I'll tell you more about it.